Translanguaging is an effective plurilingual strategy where students can use the variety of languages in their linguistic repertoire. This video is brought to you by the Plurilingual Lab and is funded by the Fonds de Recherche du Québec, Société et Culture. The prefix trans implies transcending language boundaries and using different languages simultaneously as an integrated communication system. When learners are stuck on a word in English, for example, and can't find it, they switch and continue in a different language. They later check for the word in English. This is called postponing. Translanguaging is flexible in that it allows learners to blend different languages in one sentence or come up with their own words to make meaning of a certain content. This allows learners to convey their message without interrupting the communication process. For example, if the topic of discussion is global warming, students can read text in English and in other languages and compare if the content is presented in a similar or a different way. Students can also develop some critical thinking if they evaluate how the content is presented in different sources, for example, newspapers in Canada versus newspapers in China. Not only does translanguaging take into consideration learners' linguistic and cultural diversity, it is also a flexible strategy for making meaning of content in a new language.